Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to bake a Blackberry Vanilla pound cake for my 10, now 11 subscribers. First you're going to need a bowl, 4 eggs, and baking soda, salt, vanilla extract. I'm using frozen blackberries. You can use fresh blackberries if you want. Sugar and flour, which is in a bag because I don't want it to spill. So you're going to be mixing the wet ingredients first. Crack all of the eggs in and make sure not to get any shell in it. That was a very messy crack. Let's see if I can do one-handed. Oh no. Okay, let's try again. So you need to hold it like that. Yeah, no, I can't do one-handed. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'll be right back and get the measuring cups. Okay, I'm back with all the measuring cups and an apron because I knew this was going to get when you put the flour in. It's going to splatter everywhere. And then we are going to add the vanilla. I usually just use the cap for measurements, but you want around 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You don't really want that much because vanilla brings out all the flavor. You don't want the actual thing to taste so much like vanilla, it's overwhelming. And then after you're done with that, you get a whisk and beat it. I'll be right back when it's all mixed. I'm back and the egg and vanilla is all mixed. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the blackberries in there also because mine are frozen and they're practically wet ingredients anyways. So I'm just gonna add until I feel like it's enough because it really doesn't matter. It just depends how much you want and how much you want it to taste like blackberry. Just add that in. I'm going to add a few more for good luck. And then we are going to get your strainer. Put it on top. Because I'm only using 1 bowl, so I'm not separating my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients. So I'm just going to put a strainer on top and strain it while I'm adding the dry ingredients into it. So we're going to need 5/8 cup of sugar, we're going to get 1.5 cup of flour, and we're going to get 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm just going to eyeball it because That's really not much, and you just need enough for it to rise. And 1/4 a teaspoon salt. Again, I'm just going to eyeball that. We are going to mix this around and make sure it's all strained. Let's not forget the vegetable oil. Also, mix it all in until thoroughly combined. Oopsies. It should be really thick, but at this point we're gonna add some applesauce, or I don't have applesauce right now, so I'm gonna add apple juice. We're just gonna add that till it's like a cake batter consistency. And I'll be right back. And once you mixed it all in, you should see a purplish and chunky consistency. The chunks should only be the blackberries, because if there's any other chunks, there's probably flour that you haven't mixed in. But otherwise, it should be purple with blackberry chunks. And once you've done that, you should get a container to bake it in, and bake it at 320 Fahrenheit for about 70 minutes. It varies, if the time varies, if how liquidy you made it, but usually take it around 70 minutes, and once you're done, take it out and enjoy.